Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Vauxhall Vivaro. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, and it's also including roadside assistance for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. We also applied a triple layer of Gearbox nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is in the L2 configuration and the business trim. Comes with twin sliding doors, electrically adjustable mirrors. At the back you can find the barn style sliding doors and parking sensors fitted over the rear bumper. And then over to the curbside you have the other sliding door and the diesel port, while you can find the AdBlue port just beside the passenger door. Let's take a look at the cargo bay. Once you open the rear doors, you can see the cargo hold is fully wood ply lined over the panels and the sides. You also have lighting fixtures over the roofline and a full metal bulkhead at the very end. Size-wise, you have 121 centimeters in between the wheel arches, which are housed into boxes to make an even shape of the cargo hold. Then you have 131 centimeters of height to the lowest point, being the center rib, and then an extensive 280 centimeters from edge to edge of fully usable space over the floor. Let's take a look into the cabin now. Once you access the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with a fully independent and adjustable driver's seat and a 2-seat bench for the passengers. The seats are finished in half leather in onyx color and charcoal fabric inserts over the seating and backrest area. Once you access the vehicle, you have storage solutions on the passenger side, just underneath the glove box. Some more storage space right on top of the dashboard. And then, once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have 2 analog clocks and a digital trip computer. To the left of the steering wheel, you have the classic spoke for the headlights. On this vehicle, as you can see, you have automatic headlights. Then underneath, there is the stalk for the cruise control and speed limiter, with 3 memory settings. And then, going over to the right, you have the classic stalk for the wipers. Again, you have the automatic selector as well. And then underneath, the remote for the infotainment system. And you got a few more controls over to the right, where you have the dial to adjust the height of the main beam and also the volumetric alarm toggle. Over the driver's armrest, you can see you have the electric window and the power mirror controls. And I forgot to mention, but the driver is also fitted with an armrest over to the left hand side. It's fully adjustable in height as well. For the infotainment unit, it's a NAC unit by Vauxhall, fitted with Android Auto and Apple Carplay. It's a widescreen touchscreen model. You have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the USB cable, and you can also access more features of the vehicle through its own menus. The radio is a DAB radio. And it's also compatible with the phone mirror resetting of older phones and also from Huawei phones from 2022 onward. Underneath you have the AC controls plus the power heated mirrors, and then a few more controls for the central locking unit, locking of the rear, 12-volt port and USB Type A. This vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Vauxhall Vivaro panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.